How to fix your pin is no longer available on Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're trying to access your Windows but your pin is no longer available message is shown on the display box, then here is the troubleshooting method that you can apply. To get started with, press in Shift button on your keyboard plus the power button. After holding it for some seconds, it will open a new tab, such as Advanced Options. From there, you have to select on the command prompt and type in Wedge Edit. Once you tap on Wedge Edit, tap on the file which is on the top left. There you should see Load Hive. However, if you cannot access this option, you have to browse through the File Explorer. Thereby, you have to go to Windows C, then on Windows, and for the System32 folder, and then on the config folder. Under this, you have to select on software. This will now ask you for a key. Click on it and then type in M software. Once that is done, you can go back to the Wedge Edit again. Now you have to go on the location H key local machine, software, M software key that you just created, Microsoft, then on Windows NT, current version, and passwordless device. Once you go to this location, on the right side of the screen, you will see device password build version. Right click on it and click on modify and then change the value to 0. Once this is done, you can restart your computer or continue. This way, now you have the location to give your PIN or the password. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.